In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Raw Accel not working. So if you've recently downloaded Raw Accel and installed it into your Windows computer or any operating systems out there, and you simply click on the Raw Accel exe, which is going to be the executable file, and it shows you some error, or after opening up the application, it won't simply apply the changes. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that after downloading and installing Raw Accel is to completely restart your computer. You will get a notification message from Raw Accel that in order to take changes or in order to apply, you need to restart your computer after installing the application. From there, after simply making your changes, it's important to click on the apply changes, because I've seen so many users out there that when they go ahead and edit out their preset, they just click on the X button and proceed with their task. But to completely fix this, just click on the apply button and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.